Are you a real estate agent in the process of listing a property? Looking for a professional photographer or virtual tour company? We have a solution for you. HD Virtual Tours, offering value services to their clients since 2015. HD Virtual Tours offer real estate photography, professional photography for your listing to highlight best feature of the property and attract more buyers, HD interactive videos and slideshow. We bring a life to your listing with our professional and interactive videos and showcase your listings with branded and unbranded links. Amazing walkthrough video, Realtors introductory videos. We create premium high-quality walkthrough videos and showcase your personality to build your brand standing. Aerial or drone photography and video. Provide unique perspective to your potential buyers. 3D virtual tours. 3D showcase is unlike any other real estate virtual tours. Let your buyer feel they are home. Just listed and sold postcards, feature sheets, and more. We provide high-quality, interactive, and great value virtual tours. Our professional virtual tours are search engine and MLS friendly. We serve our clients with integrity and always deliver best results in great price. We have served thousands of realtors from all known brokerages. Look what other agents say about us. HD Virtual Tours is my one go-to photographer and videographer in the GTA. I was introduced to Danish, founder and photographer of HD Virtual Tours in 2015. He is extremely professional, timely, and a pleasure to work with. My real estate clients always rave about his photos and videos. I have been with HD Virtual Tours the last couple of years. I have always been impressed with their quick and quality services. They are highly professional individuals who know their job properly and serve their clients on their best. I highly recommend HD Virtual Tours for real estate virtual tours and photography. In my experience, I can only express great words about HD Virtual Tours. They always go above and beyond my expectations. My houses sell really quick, creating good images and good traffic. Their quality and their availability to assist me when I need it. Keep up that excellent job. HD Virtual Tours is amazing, very professional, and has great attention to detail. Very easy to work with. They are always willing to go the extra mile to ensure that my last-minute listings are done on time. Thank you, HD Virtual Tours, for all your hard work and great deals. You are the best. Visit us at hdvirtualtours.ca and speed up your selling with HD Virtual Tours. Phone 416-856-5406. Email info@hdvirtualtours.ca.